Now, I may not necessarily want to use all of the clip itself. This is where we will use a trimming feature. We are going to set an in and out point for this particular clip. Now, there are several ways this can be achieved. I'll show you the simplest way. Move your playhead to where you want to actually start your clip. Within the source monitor, there are a series of controls along the very bottom. You will notice that there are some curly brackets. These indicate where you can set an in point and an out point. And you'll also notice as I hover my cursor over those particular features, I'm given a tooltip and in brackets the shortcut for those particular features. So to set an in point, you press the I key. To set an out point, you press the O key. And they are located right next to each other on the keyboard. So by pressing the I key on my keyboard, I can set an in point. Now this just determines which part of the clip is going to be viewed when I put it into my sequence. I can move the playhead along, decide where I want to set my out point, and click the O key. This will set the in and out points, trimming my clip. It doesn't actually remove the black areas to the left and right. It just determines which part of the video clip you will see at any moment of time.